Hello, geometry students. We're going to finish up 10-2 with arc lengths, and that's what we're going to be able to do is find the arc lengths. So an arc length is distance between the endpoints along an arc measured in linear units. So before, in the first part of the section, we were just finding an arc length in relation to the angle, but now we're actually going to be able to find it given a measurement. So inches, centimeters, meters, whatever our linear unit is, we're going to be able to see this distance. So you need to write this in your packet right now if you haven't done so already. Write it in your packet. The thing you want to write down for sure is either the proportion or the equation. I am an equation person, so I am definitely going to be using the equation when I'm presenting this material to you. So all you're going to be doing today is you're going to be you're going to be able to write this equation out and then plug in what values you have. So let's look at the first example. We'll do this one first. So we're trying to find the arc length of ZY, this piece right here. So remember, the arc length formula is L equals X over 360 times 2 pi r. Now we have our angle measurement. X is the angle measurement. So we're going to type this in, or write this in, 75 over 360 times 2 pi times 4. So then you can use your calculator to find this. We're going to round to the nearest hundredth. And it'll say that in your directions what you want to round to. So when you plug this in your calculator, you should get 5.24 inches. That's how long this arc length is. All right. So now go ahead and pause the video and try this next one on your own. All right. So here we're given the diameter of 10. So the radius we have to figure out is 5. So you have to make sure you plug in that 5 for the R. And when we go ahead and do this, oops, and I forgot to, this isn't X anymore, it is 130. Forgot to plug that in. So 130 over 360 times 2 pi times 5 is going to be 11.34 centimeters is what you should get on your calculator. Alrighty. All right, here is one last example. We want to find the arc length of arc QR, which is right here when PS equals 4 millimeters. So, and this is an S right here. So we know the radius is going to be 4 millimeters. So I'm going to put a 4 right there. So now we need to figure out the angle measurement of this. Take a second and see if you can figure out how you would find the angle measurement. So what I did is I took 180 minus 112, and I ended up getting 68 because this is a semicircle right here, and it's halfway across. So we can go ahead and take L is equal to 68 over 360 times 2 pi times 4. So when we go ahead and do that, you should end up with 4.75 millimeters. That's all I have for you guys today. Let me know if you have any questions tomorrow in class or before class, and we'll do some practice problems together. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful evening. We'll talk to you later.